Alright, Clay, here we go. This is cold start. I just fired the truck up. The temperature of the truck is 73 degrees. Hard to tell on this picture, but let's shut off the compensation here. I'm about to pull it in. One, yeah, number 5. Looks like that freaking number 6 isn't quite picking it up either. This is still cold. 1 and 7. 3's not really picking it up. 5. Oh, look at that. There goes 4. Son of a gun. We'll get that. We'll get it pulled in, get the Fickum switch, and check it again. I'm just gonna take a cold start video. 45 volts. Yeah, we gotta get this Fickum out. I'm gonna put an 07 Fickum in it real quick, an 06 just to check it out, but because that might be all of it. Okay, we got a Atlas 40 Fickum in and a new glow plug control module in, holding at 48.5. And we're going to get 49. We're going to get ready to fire it up and check the power balance. Let's do that real quick. We'll see how it starts. Well, we'll see what the temperature is real quick. Oil temperature is 95 degrees, so it's still cold. Here we go. Let it refresh. It'll take a minute. Okay, the last video just shut off. Really looks like 1, 2, and 7. Computer compensates for it pretty good. It's compensation off. Man, 5 is trying, you know, but it's not as high as the rest of them, but 2's just not picking it up. 1 is definitely 1, 2, 7, and 5. About what I'm seeing. Alright. Let it compensate for a minute. Volts are good. I didn't run the codes real quick. I know that the codes are still in there. I didn't clear the codes first. I need to go ahead and clear them real quick and retest. Because it was failing glow plug. Key on engine running glow plug test. Still going to have them all in it. Let's clear them out and then test them now. It's probably going to have contribution balance number 1. Who knows? Any second now. Any day. U codes, don't really worry about it. See, that's that code I was telling you about. We put an 05 Fickum in it, so you got software incompatibility with the Fickum, which, you know, it'll be alright. We'll put that other one in it that's an 03 and it'll work. The P1000 and that key and circuit, that's nothing. So pretty much everything cleared out. Glow plug code cleared out. I don't know if you remember we go. Put the parking brake on. Now we're running glow plug tests. Remember, it failed this yesterday. We got a new glow plug control module put in. Pass. Good deal. So that was a faulty glow plug control module. Now we'll see what let it run a test real quick. Boost test. Just got gonna be kind of a long video, but give it a minute. I wouldn't doubt if we have number one contribution balance. Wow. Just FICM incompatibility, that's it. Everything's all clear. P1000 is nothing, and the 306 is FICM incompatibility. So it's not, the injectors aren't bad enough to throw contribution balance because they can still compensate for it. But we got definitely 1 and 7. Let me know if you want to go ahead and do 2. Sure, it's getting a workout being in between those two. You know, 3 and 5 are, I don't know. 3 is pretty high, 5 is dropping back down. So let me know what you want to do. And we will, yeah, it's definitely looking like the odd side's going to need it. You said if we're going to do 1 and 7, we might as well go ahead and do 3 and 5 as well. Knock all those out. Number 2 is just concerning. You know, do we want to go ahead and crack that side open, get number 2? Because 6 and 8, 6 is, it's, I don't know, we might leave it in. I mean, 8's the strongest one you got right now. We'll go back to compensated. I hit that button right there and it should level out a little bit, which, yeah, FICM was a major issue, but I think it might have taken those injectors with it, 1 and 7. But there you go. Looks like the odd side will need it. And let me know if you want to go ahead and do number 2 or if you want to ride with it and let number 2 stay. Yep. All right. I'm going to end the video. Thanks, guys.